It was a pleasure for me to host DG Ngozi of WTO and DG Tedros of WHO today for the Trilateral Symposium. We were here to talk about what lessons we're learning from the pandemic. And I think the Trilateral Symposium, right, is an example of how we as agencies have our own different mandates, but we are united in our common purpose of helping to bring our expertise, our experiences together to help member states overcome global challenges like the pandemic. And many of the biggest challenges that we face, the achievement of SDGs, are complex, and they require that we work across agencies and with other stakeholders, civil society, industry, all the member states, right, to be able to solve them. So I'm very happy that today we were able to bring everyone together and to talk about this. Happy to bring everyone together to send the signal and demonstrate that we're committed, the three agencies, to working together.
I want to say that one of the most important things about this trilateral cooperation is the way it shows that multilateral organizations can come together to pool their resources to solve a problem. And that's really very important in a world where multilateralism is under challenge. So that is very important. And what we've done with the WIPO, the WHO, and the WTO is to come together and see how can we put our resources to serve our members better. The issue of intellectual property in particular with respect to solving the pandemic, whether it be for vaccines or therapeutics and diagnostics, is something that is common to all three organizations. And our ability to work together to build the capacity of our members, to improve their knowledge, to give them the tools with which to try to approach this pandemic is one of the key things that we take away from this.
I think shared problem needs shared response. And that's exactly what we have been trying to do during the pandemic. And now going forward, in order to prevent the same thing from happening and also to manage the current one well, we have to learn the lessons from this pandemic and continue with the principle of the shared responsibility to shared challenges. So I hope not only our three organizations, but our partnership will mobilize more partners that can really take the agenda forward.